What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video, Sally and I are gonna head down to Foxbody Friday meet, so let's go. Down to the Toronto Foxbody Club Friday night meet. We got a good little turnout. Got a lot of the usual suspects here, but we got some new cars, so I'm going to check them out and see what we got. Gorgeous little blue coupe. He's new. Haven't seen this car before. Really nice. Excellent condition. I took a look at it, and all the moldings, everything is fantastic. Excellent condition. Yeah, I haven't seen this vert before either. Pretty cool. Hammered hard in the front. Super clean Termi Cobra. Really nice. Excellent shape. Pace car. Vlad's Beast. Here's Toby's. I haven't seen this one either. Cool. Jason's Beast. Voodoo motor out to Predator spec. Whipple charged.
You just made me drop our ticket. I have our ticket. Oh my god. That was so cool.
I thought there was a couple extra potatoes in there, so I'm just playing, man. What's going on, man? Thank you. Try. One of Frankie's cars. Another Frankie car. There's a Night Fox. She's looking pretty good. Blending in the crowd. We got Darcy's car. Sean's dash. You guys have seen that one before. Sweet little 86 vert. And And we have Joe DaSilva from DaSilva Racing. His beautiful coupe is out, Coyote swap. Take a look at his beautiful engine bay. And here's his upcoming event right here. Check it out. Beautiful. Beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, Joe's had this car from 1986.
Well, last week we went to a show in QW. Oh yeah?
Beautiful coupe. I think this is Carrie's. Is this Sally? Is this Carrie's coupe? This is Joe's wife's coupe. Beautiful.
Oh man, I remember she was telling us about the drag pack.
These are the, remember this is drag pack.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Fantastic. Oh, that's it. I didn't even know the supercharger.
You know they're drag racers when you got the helmet sitting in the back seat there. She got the helmet in the back seat.
I know. We were laughing our heads off together.
Got Rick Avail's beautiful 85 Coyote swap as well. Super clean. Loving that. This is Terry's new acquisition, a original car. Really nice shape. Rob's car. He's the Toronto Foxbody Club creator. And then of course we have Paulo's. He's the admin of the Century. I like Paulo's car. Some different touches on it. Love the wing. And of course it pops really nice at night, the color. With the vert. Nice and clean. White interior. One of my favorite color combos in the GT, Preet's car. Don't see it too often. White with the gray and the red stripe. Super clean. And then we got Jeff's car and his wife's car. Super clean, vert. And then you got Jeff's coupe, Coyote swap. You gotta love the plates, right? You saw it, and then you saw it. Another super clean white notch. I haven't seen this car before either, so looks really nice.
Hey guys, as most of you know, Joe and Carrie, Team DaSilva.
Kind of.
Joe's promoting his reunion shootout coming up September 22nd, 23rd. And he wanted to, or I guess Carrie's picking her choice for favorite car of the night. And she's going to give away a prize. So, yeah.
So I just want to welcome everyone. Thanks for coming out tonight. It's a great
place to come out. And I want to invite you guys all to our the Silver Racing Shootout reunion. It's going to be so Friday will be test and tuning all afternoon. Saturday will be you can test all day if you want. It's for all mixer models. We have people like Bill Devine, Brian Wolf, the Godzilla King, I guess you call him, and then people from all over the country. So it's going to be a great event. It's going to be a lot of action. We have Hellfire, the truck, and if you guys want to come out, there was a whole area for car show. We have an area just strictly for Foxbodies. We judge for 4 judges will be judging the event, and the top Fox means overall fully done, something like that. We'll walk away with some cash and of course awards. So it's come on out. All right, now you're
going to be a good kids cruise this year?
We're trying to work on that too.
No bridge?
Pardon?
No bridge?
No bridge. You're right at the end of the we'll do something, yeah.
Bricking the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right, so my winner, my choice winner is a gentleman named Mitch. He's over there.
Mitch!
Mitch! Get over here!
The only guy that's not paying attention, by
The only guy that's not paying attention.
I picked your car.
What?
I
That's
love
her
your
choice.
car. So here's 2 tickets to the event, sir.
Thank you.
And here's a lovely shirt here.
Awesome.
Oh,
geez, thank you very much.
I love the car.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If anybody's wondering, it's the gray 86.
I want to sell it.
Another 86.
Let's see that. Let's see that shirt. He might sell that shirt. There you go.
So that'll get you in for the 2 days camping. Start in line right beside the jet truck.
Awesome. Thank you very
Wear
much.
some safety glasses.
Now, which one's your favorite son? You want to adopt me?
It was great meeting everybody, by the way. Everyone was great. Nice meeting everyone. I didn't get to talk to everyone, but everyone I did talk to, you're all great. So nice to be out here out of Mississauga.
Thanks for coming out. I know it's a long drive, both
That's
ways.
all right. Don't mind.
Yeah, it was great.
But as you say, get out and drive them, right? Enjoy
That's
them.
right.
Make some noise, that's for sure.
Well, not too much.
I'll be gentle.
And October
Big noise,
6th,
but not here.
October 6th, we're doing our big final show here. Just so everybody knows.